Have you ever thought about moving to Richmond Hill? Was not sure where to go? Well, I'm gonna tell you, the new and upcoming community is Hartwood. It is smack dab where all the new developments happening. You got the JW Marriott right next to the Richmond Hill High School. Shopping, food centers, everything. We're gonna be going through the Primrose plan. It's a 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4.5 bath home with over 2,800 square feet. God, you gotta check this one out.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Oh my God, I can't wait to show you this beautiful home. I love the entryway. Obviously, you got on the right here, we got the dining room, which we're gonna go through as we check out the awesome Butler pantry. But to the right here, my left, your right, we got this flex room area. Now they have it set up as a cool office kind of area, but this can be turned into another bedroom down here with a bath, so that's pretty awesome, right? And then you got these French doors, this is great. Dining room, obviously, and I love the way they show you how you can build your home. Now, these light fixtures are not options, but it kind of shows you what you can do with this space. Large dining room, great for holidays and all that kind of stuff. But let's check out this Butler's pantry, because this is really neat. So coming into this Butler's pantry, I love this Butler's pantry because you got the granite countertop, you got your sink right here. They got an option for a wine cooler. Beautiful wet bar going on here. And then obviously they got a big pantry right here. But then we come into this gorgeous gourmet kitchen. You see the dual oven right there with the granite countertop. Gas range, it's a gas community, so you can gas cooktops. And then all this space, look at the backsplash and all that stuff. And then what I do like is, I mean, the length between the bar and the cooking space, you can get 2 people in here, one cooking, one washing dishes, no problem. And then it just gets wide open space for people to eat. You got 4 spots right there, but then it comes into this breakfast nook area. Now, this could be a sunroom, could be a screen room, or it could flip it, flop it. When you go into here, you see, and we're not gonna go out here right now, we're gonna go in here afterwards, but you can have it over here too, or you can have it all one thing. Pulte has a ton of options, but the great thing is, look at this living room. I like the wide open space in this home because if you're entertaining in the kitchen, living room, the porch right there, everything can come together. I really love it. Fireplace, I mean, I don't know if you need one here, but you have the option for it if you like the ambiance. But the one thing I don't want you to miss, got the half bath right there, but this office space is super cool. Look at this. It's like a granite countertop. You can add the shelves up top. You put 2 computer screens right there. You're knocking out your work or college or whatever. So I love this spot. Let's go upstairs. The one good thing I like about this home, one, the balcony is great, but then you got this awesome loft area. So if you want like a 2 living room situation, maybe the family has a little living room up here, they can have it. Look at all this space they got. And then we can go into the primary bedroom, which I definitely want to show you. Now, of course, you can have carpet up here. I think there's also an option for hardwood floor, but look at this wide open space. You got the bathroom right here, which I'm gonna show you, but also you got a closet in there and a closet in here. So there's no fighting for who's got a bigger closet. They're about the same closet. So let's check out this bathroom. Now we're in this bathroom. Of course, you got a closet for your toilet, but look at this huge shower. I mean, you could fit, I don't know, dogs, kids, like I don't know however your bath situation is, but everybody get clean at the same time if you had to. And then you got dual vanities right here with the granite countertop, which I love that. And then the closet is massive in there. But let's go check out the other bedrooms. Now everybody upstairs, well, of course, gets the room, but they also get access to a bathroom. This is a Jack and Jill situation to the other bedroom. But look at, I love the way they decorate this. It makes you want to do this stuff to your own home. But then you got dual vanity going in here with this granite countertop. Now you walk into the bedroom, you got this granite countertop, and they chose the tile here. Interesting color. I don't know that I would choose this color, but it also gives full bathroom right there with the tub and standing shower. And then we come into this room by the same dimensions, you know what I'm saying, on this one, but there's tons of space. You can fit a king size bed in either one of these rooms, actually all 3 rooms. But the best feature out here is the porch. We got to go check out this balcony right now, man. I love balconies. Now the cool thing about this balcony, now not only is this balcony great, but this home particularly can have a drive-through under garage or a detached garage. So this could not only be the 2nd story, this could also be a 3rd story. Could you imagine, as you're looking at this view, you could be 3 stories up and see the incredible view of your entire neighborhood, not to mention all this great space. But I want to show you the back where we have the screened-in porch. I'll tell you what, Pulte almost gives you too many options to become this thing. Not to mention you can have your surround sound system in there. Not to mention that could be a sunroom. This could be a sunroom. This could be a 2nd story. I mean, the options are almost endless. And you got the screened-in porch, and this one, nice space right here. But if you do decide to get the drive-through garage on this one, this would be your entire garage, the length of the house. So you'd have a humongous garage that you could do almost anything with. And then we come out here to this. Here's another option that I do like. So when you look, the garage, this would be what it's like, but the garage right there would be actually positioned right here behind the house if you wanted the detached garage. But of course, if you wanted the drive-through garage, of course, it would be underneath the house. So that was the Primrose plan by Pulte Homes. And if you have a question about this home or any Pulte home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.